Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. In this video, we will see very important questions which are asked in system design interview question. What is load balancer? Load balancer is a traffic manager that sits between client and server and distribute incoming requests across multiple servers. So instead of sending all user requests on a single server, load balancer will decide which server should process the each request. So here user will send a request to the load balancer. Load balancer will decide the which server need to send the request. And in case of like real world example, Amazon and Flipkart, imagine an Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. So without a load balancer, 100,000 user will send a request to the server one. So in that case, CPU utilization is 100% and memory is exhausted. Website can be crashed and ultimately it will have a revenue loss. So with the load balancer, all the 100,000 request goes to the load balancer, and load balancer will distribute these requests equally to the available server, so that the all requests are equally distributed instead of burdening on a single server. So this will result in traffic distribution, faster response, high availability, and no single point of failure. So this is exactly why e-commerce platform rely heavily on load balancing during peak times. So guys, thank you for watching this video.